did duty. We've given welfare a little bit of a break for the week, so today I'm actually going to make my mum's recipe for Chinese style spring rolls. It's very few ingredients, it's a really simple basic recipe, but it's really tasty as well. So normally you'd use a mixture of chicken mince and maybe crab meat if you've got it. Today I'm just going to use chicken mince. So I've got about half a kilo of chicken mince here in the bowl already. I'm going to add to that about 110 grams of water chestnuts, which I've chopped. Now you can buy these from the supermarket. That's the tin there. And then I'm also going to add in about another 100 or so grams of bamboo shoots, which you can also buy from the supermarket too. So I'll add that. I'm also going to add in 1 stalk of spring onion, finely chopped. Just a dash of ground pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit more. Soy sauce. Just a splash. Good splash. This one here is oyster sauce. So I'm also going to put in a splash of that too. That's about a tablespoon. It was about a tablespoon of both oyster sauce and the soy sauce. And then finally I will add in my Chinese 5-spice powder, which again you can buy from supermarkets. But you can also buy from Chinese grocers or South Asian grocers as well. And then all we're going to do now is just mix them all together so that it's all combined. You can smell the Chinese 5-spice powder, it is delicious. Now that you've mixed all of the ingredients together, it's time to wrap. This is the spring roll pastry that we use. You'll be able to find it from the supermarket in the freezer section. So a good tip for the spring roll wrapper is to get a tea towel and just dampen it, and then cover your spring roll wrappers with the damp tea towel just to prevent them from drying out too much. So we're going to get one spring roll sheet. We're going to grab one of the corners and have it pointing towards you. A couple of spoonfuls of the mixture. Don't fall into the trap of overfilling the spring roll wrappers, otherwise they will burst when you fry them. And then you just want to wrap them nice and tightly, like this. Very simple. If you haven't wrapped spring rolls before, it can take a little bit to get used to it. Then I'm just going to use the white of a raw egg to seal it. Okay, so they're all wrapped now. So about 500 grams of meat made 15 pretty big spring rolls. You could just about get the whole packet out of them. There's 20 sheets to a pack. So if you made them a little bit smaller, you would easily get 20 spring rolls with 500 grams of meat. So now we're going to deep fry these. You can probably put them in the air fryer, but you know, you'll always get a better result when they're deep fried. To serve, enjoy your spring rolls with store-bought Chinese plum sauce, or you can make your own sweet and sour sauce at home. Just heat equal parts of sugar, vinegar, tomato sauce and water on the stove until the sugar dissolves, and you can thicken that with some corn flour. Thanks for watching.